Alrighty, so we have the Moroccan Oil Frizz-Taming Curly Kit. This kit is ideal for anyone that has curly or wavy hair and they tend to have any issues with frizz. Trust me, these three items are amazing. So with this kit, you'll be receiving the Moroccan Oil Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner, and also, you will be receiving the Marrakesh oil. This oil is amazing. I love it and I use it every single day. So let's get into it. You're first going to wash your hair with the Moroccanoil Smoothing Shampoo. A little goes a long way, so you want to make sure that you're using a dime size. It's going to fully saturate the hair to help tame it. Then you're going to go in and use the Moroccan Oil Smoothing Conditioner. Make sure that you're only applying it from mid shafts to ends. Leave it in your hair for a good 3 minutes because it's going to help tame all the frizz. Once it's already rinsed out, after the shower, if you want to do it dry or wet, that's when you need to go ahead and add the Marrakesh oil to your hair, mid shafts to ends. If you have a little bit left on your finger, you can go ahead and add it right here to tame any frizz. Just make sure that you're not adding it to your scalp. All of these three items will help tame all of the frizz and make sure that your curls and waves are really bouncy and secured. So if you have any questions or concerns, just let us know. Give us a call or text.